Okay, so let's talk about the spices. The three main spices have all the same ingredients: salt, pepper, garlic and red pepper, except this one uses white pepper instead of black pepper. The difference between these two is the amount of ratio of black pepper to red pepper. They all have no gluten, no MSG, no fillers, no anti-caking, no preservatives and no colourings. Being Cajun, they're French in origin, so they taste delicious. It's really not about burning you, it's about adding to the flavour experience. So we have mild, warm and hot, and it actually says hot on the can, and very popular. This is low sodium for the health conscious. It's got a few extra ingredients: granulated celery, granulated onion, granulated green bell pepper, and it only has 4% sodium. But the flavour's amazing, and I would rate it a medium strength heat. That's the spices.